Yeah, hello guys. In this Excel basic video, we will go through the ribbons of home. As you can see, we go through the clipboard and the font part only in this video. So as you can see, there are cut, copy, format, printer, paste, bold, italic, table, and these are text, font, and their size. So first we'll go through the copy paste. So I'll just add some text, test, some sample. So first what we will do, we will just we'll use this font part and we select this test, click on B, which is the bold, and it makes the text bold whatever it is being selected in the Excel spreadsheet. There is a shortcut as well, Control B. So if I click, as you can see, it's bold. If I click on italic, again it will do italic to the text. As you can see, it got straight. And we can use similarly underline as well. Right. And in case, yes, and these are clean color. So if you want to change the color of any cell, so we can select by using this particular button. And in case you want to change the text color, so we can use this to change the text color. And then these drop downs is the fonts. If we select the fonts, as you can see, the font of that particular selected cell will get changed. And this is for the font size. You can see, and we can select based upon our requirement, we can change the font size. So now we go back to the copy, how to use a copy. If I have selected this, I can use this after selection of the particular cell. I can use copy and it will show me a dotted line, and then I can use this paste function and click here, and it will paste the same text that is being selected. So this is just by doing this copy paste using this. There is another option, we have a shortcut which is Control C, and it is for copy. If I again select, I'm just pressing Control C. What I am doing, I am selecting the range or the cell where I have to paste it, and I am pressing Control V. Now the values get pasted here. And then if you want to cut, in case there are some thing that you don't want here, you can use the cut as well. So I pressed Control X, so it's a shortcut for cut. And next is a format printer. So in case if you want to, so in this particular test we have applied the bold, the cell color and the text color, and the text font and size we have changed it. In case if you want to replicate the same formatting to other cells contained, what we can use, we have to use format printer. So what I have done, I have selected this particular cell and I am clicking on format printer, and in case if I want here, as you can see, it has just replicate the same formatting here. So likewise there are different uses of all this clipboard and font based upon our requirement of the reports. Yeah, thanks guys, that's it for this video. Hope you are liking it.